Assalamu alaikum, lovely kids. Here is Raja Kushal from Higher Secondary School, Kandi. Today we are going to learn a relative pronoun. Earlier we learned the personal pronoun, the first form of pronoun. Let me tell you, a pronoun is a word that's used in place of a noun. So noun gets replaced by a word that we call pronoun. So there are many forms. One among them is being discussed by me. We discussed it yesterday, and today we are gonna discuss a relative pronoun. What is relative pronoun? Before getting deep into the subject, let me explain the definition. Here we go. A relative pronoun is used to connect a clause or a phrase to a noun or a pronoun. It's a simply a connection. You can infer from the word relative. Relative means a relation that define the relation of a noun or a pronoun or a clause. It's a simply a clause that describe you, that modifies or describe the noun. The most common relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. Sometimes there are when and where we use these words as a relative pronoun. So here we go. Let we discuss separately one by one the pronouns like who, starting from a who. Who is used for people replacing subject pronoun like I, she, he, we, and they. Who is a relative pronoun that replaces the subject pronouns. We have earlier discussed the object and subject pronouns. So pronoun can be used as subject, it can be used as object. So who always replace the personal pronouns like I, she, he, we, and they. And these word is simply being replaced by the word that is relative pronoun who. We have an example here. It was my husband. Here is a example. I have just put it out on here. It was my husband who broke the car door. It was my husband. The husband is a pronoun, and the relative pronoun that connect the pronoun that describe the pronoun is who. Here is a who. So simply we got the information that the husband who it was my husband. Someone is telling about her husband who broke the car door, means who is describing the noun husband. So I hope you may have a little bit more comprehension upon this very notion. That's who. Now let's move on. Another word, another relative pronoun that we always use in our day-to-day life is whose. Whose shows a possession or relation. It shows that something is being possessed by, being related to some person, being in a possession of someone's person.